Hello friends, today I'm gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search Xtreme trend and add one more indicator, that is QQE. Just uncle. Now both the indicators are applied. In the settings of Xtreme, make the color green and the second color red. When the extreme trend indicator gives you the blue arrow mark and the price crosses above the 200 moving average, along with that, below the histogram turns into green, buy the call, and you can hold up to the histogram orange line crosses below the blue line. When the extreme trend indicator gives you the orange arrow mark and the price crosses below the 200 moving average, along with that, below histogram turns into red and you can sell the call. You can hold up to the histogram orange line crosses above the blue line. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.